Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today is time for me to play and to talk about Prelude in C minor, the BWV 999 of Bach, the A1 piece from the Grade 4 piano exam pieces ABRSM 2021 and 2022. We are back on track on the new syllabus. So Bach, together with Mozart and Schumann, if you have watched maybe by any chance two tutorials that I published in the past, one about Mozart and one about Schumann, Bach is my third favorite composer, if not even the first. This piece I've been loving all my life. I was a teenager and I was studying, admiring this music, this piece exactly. Is not the only one, but I mean this one was one of those that I was always admiring when I was a simple teenager. I will, as usual, play first at the final speed, and then I will talk about interesting facts related to this piece, and then I will play slowly. Let's go to the performance first. And voila, and this is this masterpiece. This masterpiece is made in a way that is quite interesting. I don't know if you noticed that there are no melodies. These are simple, broken chords in every single bar, with the left hand that is touching some of the notes of this broken chord and moving on like a river, So touching some of the notes of the broken chord on the third count, after the right hand has been playing all the notes immediately on the first count, and reiterating always two of them on the second count and one of them on the third. So the right hand playing all the notes of the broken chord on the first count, reiterating two of them on the second count and just one of them on the third count, and this is a pattern that is respected up to the third last bar. Just at the end there is an arpeggiato, different than the other ones, where in the first and in the second count you have the same harmony, and in the third a completely different one. Is the only bar where you have clearly in the right hand two different harmonies. But in general, so During the whole piece, only broken chords. Indeed, one suggestion that I give to my private students is the one of playing it, analyzing first. I hope that you are a little bit more into the analysis of the pieces, the understanding of the harmony, and you can do what I'm about to do now. So you start from C minor in root position, again C minor in root position, F minor in second inversion, then you have again F minor in second inversion. Then you have, this is a very interesting one, B diminished with the bass of C, this pedal, long pedal of tonic C, with A flat and F, again exactly like in the previous bar, played twice, leading to the C minor in second inversion on the right, and the tonic here, playing these two notes on the third count, then moving to the B flat, keeping the same chord on the right. We might even say that this is C minor in third inversion, C minor seventh, this is C minor seventh, this is C minor third inversion. This one quite interesting. We might even consider like C minor with A flat, but we might even consider like A flat major with major seventh. If you are into these things I'm telling you, this C minor in second inversion, we are leading to the F diminished chord, and leading then to, so here with E flat in the second last bar of the first page with E flat and C, and then here with the D, with F sharp and D, clearly now a D9 in first inversion. Anyways, this is the way you should definitely study this piece. I don't want to go over too much. Try to, following my advice, try to do your best now to capture the chords. It will help you playing the whole one well, especially from this point going on. Simply fix the chords in your mind and try to understand how they move. How they move. Genius was drawing his music, and so on. Anyways, so this is regarding the understanding of the music sheet. Could be a big help for memorizing if you want to play it by memory, or also for playing it even better, because if you know where you are going, if you predict which ones are the moves, it's easier, 100 times easier. I suggest you to work more and more on the right hand, because I believe that you are not that much well trained in terms of piano technique. Your dexterity is maybe not at the highest possible levels, so you might apply the rhythmic variations that I've been teaching a couple of times in some of the videos. One of these is, for example, Innocence. You might choose these, you might consider the bar as it is, including also the left hand for the rhythmic variations, doing, for example, the first one would be, and so on. The second one would be, I suggest you to check the variations in the video, in the tutorial I've made for Innocence. In case of problems finding it, or if you want me to explain even more, simply let me know commenting and I will try to help you as much as I can. So this is regarding the technical problem, the practical technical problem. Stick to one fingering, decide it. In case you don't want to use strictly this one, change but write it down. Don't improvise, don't change fingering every single time. Now I want to go to the slow performance. I will keep the metronome on and I will play exactly at half speed. 88 now per quavers instead of crotchets. I won't mind the dynamics, don't worry, it's about simply the notes to show you how they should be. Okay, it's obvious that. So I said that I wouldn't mind the dynamics, and then at the end I turned feeling them, because it's really part of me now. All is written down, and here I couldn't respect the ritardando at the end due to the metronome. Only one thing I want to do, just to is an extra, is a tip, is a present. I want to play in the way I've been always playing, just to let you understand that this one can turn like a piano etude, a study for you to warm up your fingers, to push up even more your technique. Because remember that ADH is an idea. You can play faster and faster and faster this piece. For example, to be honest, as soon as I sit down and I restart playing this piece, following the memory, it comes out immediately. Just to give you an idea of how it might be. Sometimes I had fun changing completely instrument, because remember that music has to really give energy, has to inspire, has to open your creativity. So I really, many times I like to change completely the instrument I use. I like to play first of all with harpsichord, and then why not even with synthesizers. For example, even with this one. Just to let you understand how it might how it might help your creativity, okay? Well, just a few tips to add a little bit of salt and pepper to our very strict discipline. Anyways, I hope that I have told you pretty much regarding this one. In case you have any question, in case I haven't mentioned anything that you consider really important for you, yeah, obviously mind all the dynamics that are written down, even though Bach didn't leave any. So these are all editorial decisions, all of them. Bach's music was simply with the notes, nothing less, nothing more. So if you have any question, anyways, feel free to contact me by commenting, let me know how it's going. And if it's the first time that you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.